name is Georgia.
And Today Winton School. I'm Sarah. Welcome to NEWS News for our upper the 4th of November.
High vis vests. A kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder, this term you must wear your sun hat at playtimes and lunchtime. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
And a quick kia ora to those students returning sports gear to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and interval. Ka pai koutou.
Library news open today for returns, browsing and issuing.
And get in quick. There's some brand new books for browsing too.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is hemoi,
which is te reo for sleepy, as in kei te hea moi aho.
I'm sleepy.
Well, wake up. There's touch news. Tigers, panthers and leopards. You have training today. Meet on the library steps at lunchtime.
Year 1 and 2 teams, listen up. Winton Bears, Cheetahs, Warriors and Wombats meet in the junior lunch area at 12:45. Kia ora.
Winton's Got Talent. Seniors, your heat starts on Monday.
Lunchtime is a go. In the hall, everyone is welcome.
Birthday news. Only one at Winton School today.
Jessica Irwin is turning the lucky number 7.
Happy birthday, you. Ra whānau kia koe.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the NEWS News team, ka kite popo.
Stay sharp and haere Winton School.